Hello everyone, it's Frank Perez-Andreu here with the Holly Perez Group at Keller Williams Realty Atlantic Partners. Today we're going to be bringing you the February 2026 market update for St. Johns County, Florida. Today we're going to focus on four key indicators that help us understand where the market is headed. And that is active inventory, closed sales, days on market, and month supply of inventory. So we're going to begin with single family homes here in St. Johns County. Our active inventory increased to 1,675 homes, which represents a 9.8% increase over January. And when we see inventory increasing month over month, it generally means that more sellers are entering the market and buyers have more choices. This is a continuation of the gradual shift towards a more balanced real estate market environment. Looking at closed sales, we had 394 homes that closed in February, which is a 38.7% increase compared to January. That's a significant jump in activity and suggests that buyers who were in the market earlier in the year are now completing their purchases. Strong closed sales numbers like this is a positive sign that demand remains active in St. Johns County. Days on market for single family homes currently sits at 59 days, which is a 7.1% decrease from the previous month. When homes began selling fast, it often indicates that buyers are re-engaging with the market and their properly priced homes are continuing to attract attention. Finally, the month supply of inventory currently sits at 4.3 months, which is down about 20% from January. Month supply measures how long it would take to sell all available homes if no new listings came on the market. A decrease in supply typically signals strong buyers' activity relative to available inventory. Taken together, these trends suggest that while inventory is increasing, buyer demand remains strong enough to absorb much of the supply, helping keep the market relatively stable. Now we're going to turn into the condominium market class. Active inventory for condos are 264 units, which represents a 5.2% increase from January. Similar to single family home market, this means buyers are still gradually increasing the available options. And condo closed sales total about 39 transactions in February, which is a 25.8% increase from the previous month. That increase in closed activity really indicates the continuous demand for condo segments as well as the residential and single family. Days on market for condos are 68 days, which is about 17% increase from last month, which means that buyers are taking a little bit longer as they're evaluating their options. The month supply of inventory in condo now sits at 6.8 months, which represent a 16.4% decrease compared to previous month. Even though condos are taking a little bit longer to sell, this decrease in supply suggests that buyers' activity is still absorbing inventory at a steady pace. So what does all of this mean in the overall direction of the market? Well, what we're seeing in St. Johns County is a market that continues to normalize. Inventory levels are gradually increasing, and buyers have more options and sales activity remains steady rather than the extreme conditions we saw over the past few years. We're moving towards a healthier and more sustainable real estate environment. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, or would like a personalized analysis of your home or neighborhood, we're happy to help. Again, I'm Frank Perez-Andreu with the Holly Perez Group here at Keller Williams Realty. We thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you next month with another market update. Thanks again.